We've got some gloves from Handlandy. I've got some men's leather work gloves, and I've got some kids' leather work gloves that incidentally have come in this like vacuum sealed package, which saves a bunch of space, I guess. These are the kids' leather gloves. They say they're for ages 3 through 11, and it looks about right. I'll get my kids to come try them out here in just a second. These are actually, they feel like pretty good quality. They've got the leather work side right there, this smooth material on the other side. They look like they're going to feel pretty comfortable for the kids. The palm is suede leather. The back is polyester and suede leather. It says cold water wash, do not bleach, hang dry only, do not iron. Okay. Here is a 9-year-old's hand. Go ahead and try that on, buddy. Will it fit a 9-year-old? Nice and snug. How's that feel?
Nice. Nice and sturdy.
And got
some grip.
Yeah. So 9-year-old's hands there works pretty well. Now for my 8-year-old. Adeline, come right around here. Yeah, try right hand. Very good. All right. How's that feel?
Nice and snug.
Good. Nice and snug.
Grip.
Got a little room. So both my 8-year-old and 9-year-old, this does fit them. And it'll probably be a little large for our 5-year-old, but we'll get him down to try it out next.
He doesn't want to.
Okay, that's fine. We've got men's leather work gloves. They come in an assortment of colors. I got the black and yellow ones, the old bumblebee colored. And this is a large size. So I usually wear like medium size stuff in terms of shirts and shorts and stuff like that. But when it comes to socks and gloves, I go for the large size. They have a chart where you can like measure the circumference of your hand and stuff and roughly gauge which size is going to work best for you. But when it comes to a glove, I'd rather there be just a little bit extra room, like there is a little extra room in the pinky for my hands. I'd rather be a little extra than too tight. These are going to work nicely. This is nice and thick. This is not the first pair of Handlandy gloves that I've owned. I have some rose gardening gloves that I've done videos on as well, and they just make a great quality product. I actually use those for an ultramarathon race that goes through some off-country territory with a bunch of briars and stuff, and I've used it for like 5 years in a row, the same pair of gloves. So these folks know how to make high-quality, durable work gloves that last.